Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your trusted source for all things language and vocabulary. Today, we're going to delve into the word inevitable. So, what does inevitable mean in English? In its simplest form, inevitable refers to something that is certain to happen and cannot be avoided. It's an adjective we often use to describe events or outcomes that are bound to occur. According to dictionaries, inevitable means unavoidable or certain to happen. For example, with the dark clouds gathering, rain was inevitable. Now, let's explore some synonyms for inevitable. Words like unavoidable, certain, inescapable, and ineluctable all convey similar meanings. Each synonym can be used in different contexts to enhance your language and make your communication more precise. For instance, you might say, death is inevitable, or the inevitable conclusion was reached after much debate. These synonyms help us articulate the concept of certainty and unavoidable outcomes in a variety of ways. That wraps up our exploration of the word inevitable. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a powerful tool for effective communication. Stay tuned for more insightful word explorations here on Thesaurus Thrive.